Hello viewers, welcome to an exclusive report from the team of Political and Business Daily as the total infected cases by this virus cross 1 million or 10 lakh mark in India. In this report, we will talk about growth of this virus, recoveries and death rate of the cases in India. We will only talk about facts and you might find many of your myths busted. Well, the big news is that cases in India have crossed 10 lakh. We are the third nation in this world to cross this unwanted figure. But we see a lot of people talking about high recoveries and low death rate. And we think India has one of the lowest death rates and one of the maximum recoveries of all the major countries in this world. If you also think so, well, this exclusive report based totally on facts and figures. No half-truths in this, no data of convenience, but only bare facts in order to give you the true picture. Now let us first have a quick look at the journey of how we have reached 10 lakh mark. We recorded the first case in India on 30th January. Cases started rising sharply and on 24th of March we had 497 cases and we went for a complete nationwide lockdown. Cases kept on climbing steadily and on 18th May, that is after 78 days of our registering the first case, we hit the figure of 1 lakh cases. But after that, it took us only 14 days to climb from 1 lakh to 2 lakh. We went from 2 lakh to 3 lakh in 10 days, from 3 lakh to 4 lakh in 8 days, from 4 to 5 lakh in 6 days, from 5 to 6 lakh in 5 days, 6 to 7 lakh in another 5 days, from 7 to 8 lakh in 4 days, from 8 to 9 lakh in only 3 days, and from 9 to 10 lakh in next 3 days. So in all, it took us 136 days to climb to this unwanted figure of 10 lakh cases. Remember, we went in for unlock from 1st June. And the most worrying part is that since 1st June, doubling rate of cases in India has remained near 20 days. At the start of this unlock, we had 1.9 lakh cases. And since then, in the last 46 days, we have grown to more than 525%. It took us 136 days to reach to 10 lakh cases. But if this trend continues, we might even see 40 to 50 lakh cases by the end of August, and by end of September we may touch the unwanted figure of 1 crore. But as we talk and see, people have gone from caution to casual in their approach towards this deadly virus. Many of us talk about the rising cases and say we have very good recovery rate and very low death rate as compared to the world. This exclusive report will give you true facts and figures on 3 more parameters. Number 1, cases per million in India. Number 2, our recovery rate. And number 3, the deaths or total fatalities in India. Let us first come to cases per million in India. India as on date has 728 cases per million. The world average is 1790 cases per million. But there are certain worst performing countries with big numbers. US averages 11,160, whereas Brazil averages 9,476. But in order to truly understand cases per million and India's position, let us see how many countries have these numbers better than us. From the data available for 213 countries and regions, India is placed at 108th position. This means 107 countries have cases per million less than India and 105 have cases per million more than India. One might say that these may be small countries, but they are not. Out of the top 15 countries other than India, 7 have better numbers than us. But the analysis further reveals that the countries which have better number than India accounts for 58.9% of world's residual population. And the 105 countries which India has better numbers accounts for 41.1% population. So countries having population of 58.9% are better than us in cases per million. Now let us move to the second parameter of recovery rate. As on date, India has recovery rate of 63.3%. The world average is 59.4%. The team of Political and Business Daily again analyzed the data of all the countries and regions in the world. Some countries, mainly European countries, are not releasing their recovery rate data. But out of the 204 countries and regions whose data is available, 132 countries have better recovery rate than us. And only 71 countries have this rate less than India. And the countries which have this rate better than us accounts for 59.4% of the world's residual population. And we are better than countries which have 40.6% of the population. In fact, the medical standards for declaring a person recovered for the US are stricter than the entire world. If we exclude US from this count, recovery rate in India is less than the rest of the world. So the conclusion is we are only better than the countries having 40% of the population in this world. Now let us come to the death rate or the deaths per million population in India and the world. Right now, India has 19 deaths per million population, whereas the average in the world is 76. But there are again few black sheeps like the US, which has 426 deaths per million population, and Brazil, which has 361 deaths per million. Again, we analyze the data of 215 countries and regions which is available to us. 113 countries and regions having population of 61.4% in the world have less death rate per million than India. Whereas 101 countries having 38.6% of residual population has these numbers higher than us. So even the death rate or death per million population in India is worse than the countries having majority population. So we conclude that in all the three parameters of our concern today, that is the recovery rate, the cases per million population and the deaths per million, India is in the lower half, with the countries having more than 60% of the population in the world performing better than us. This analysis might ring some bells in your mind, but the most alarming factor which we see is the unabated growth of cases since start. India is probably the only country in the world where the cases are rising. We have not seen a single day till today since the start of this lockdown where the number of cases have gone less than the same day of last week. Yesterday we saw 35,500 cases and 680 deaths, which translates to a case every 2.4 seconds and a death nearly every 2 minutes. Let us just see the figures of first 16 days of July and we will understand the gap. We accounted for 12.45% of new cases in the world, 10.42% of the world's death from this deadly disease, and only 7.70% of recoveries of the world case. We need to do a lot more than just boasting of some figures of our convenience.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update.